Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Hope you guys are all doing okay. So as you may know, I am here in Abu Dhabi in my house over here. So today what we're going to do, I thought the videos are not coming, so let's make a vlog. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to mangroves over here. Like mangroves are a thing in water bridges and you can walk. So I'm going to show you over here. You know, last vlog we shot it over here, so if you did not watch it, do go and see it. So I will see you in Madam Mangroves now. So guys, we are here at Mangrove Park and you can see these are the bridges that go left and these are all mangrove. Walk through the bridges like this. And you can see water over here. This all was water first, then it dried up to these lands. Now they have made it towards attraction. See, over there is water and these all are dried water stems. So all of these things are dried, and these bridges are made of wood. You see, and you can see the sunset over there, beautiful sunset view. This was the entrance. You can see this is the water and they are very light, like see-through fish, invisible over here. This all is water, and I can not see if the GoPro catch the fish, but they are invisible fish. And if you see over here, there is a crab also. Now we move further, and over here I cannot see any fish over here, but I can see the fish, but I don't know if the GoPro can catch it or not. So we move over here again. You can see these are all plants over here, and over here is water also. Over here also trees and water. Now moving further, let us go. So this is a bridge that you cross and go to the end. You can see white plants over here also, and now we go a little bit further. So if you go over here, and you can see a little bit of crabs over here, a little crab, and little bits of crabs. I cannot find any more, but you can see this one and more. This is a water body, small water body. You see water, this water, and you can see a spot. You can take pictures on it. Let's go to that one. So we make our way over here. You can see the view from here. This is a nice view, and this is a nice view, and you can see a crab also, crab or two over here, and then we move ahead. So you can see over here it's a floating platform. You can go over here and you can jump, go on the net and see everything. You cannot go on the net, at least you can just go and see over here, see a water body and everything. So This was the floating platform, and these are the types of fish you can find. This one, this one, this one, and this type of crab. Let's go move on forward. There's also you can take pictures from here, and you can see rock formation over here. Now let's go. Over to here. So these are type of plant that gives a little bit of scent or aroma to the mangroves. These are from these steps you can go over here and climb, but I don't have the guts to do that. So you can see this pathway. Let's go on it. A straight pathway with a beautiful view on it. These small sticks can be found inside the water, so that is why it is over here, because this was in the water. Now the water has dried up. Over here also these are long ones, and these are a little bit short ones. Let's go further. You can see over here there's a kind of bad smell, so let's move on. With a time lapse. So you can, this is all the same thing over here, over there, plants and the same thing. Don't mind, kind of boring place, but worth visiting if you like be close to nature and close to things. So that's it. And this is the water, more crossing over the bridge. So you can see two shades of trees over here, or no, leaves over here, white and then green. Over here also the same thing. Over to here you can see that is where I live. And so you go over here and you can see a nice view from over here, and you're nearly to the end. You can see water, and you go over here with a beautiful view. So we almost made it to the end. Over there, it's the end. Quite a walk, but a nice one. So hope you guys like this mangrove tour, or you can say not a detailed review, a review, and a good one. I think so. I tried my best. If you guys like it, do subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Thank you so much. See you on the video. Okay, bye.